mga langga, it's me, your teacher, Prasi. So now, ako adi ay nag-think, no, na I've been teaching you sign language for a long time na. Then, I've tried to like, do sign language, like, explain the words, but nalimot ay ko og tell ninyo kung what is FSL or what is Filipino Sign Language or what is the meaning of sign language. Okay, so now in this video I will explain kung unsa man na ang sign language. So ato later in the future maybe ako ang i-discuss pod ang kanang what is the difference between the FSL and the ESL or the different sign language pa jud, because broad kayo siya nga talk about okay. So now ako lang sang i-focus about sa what is sign language or what is Filipino Sign Language. So ato adyo di understand nga ang language na adyo siya og variety. Daghan kayo ang language. Sakto? So we have example. English, Spanish, Dutch. Daghan kayong mga languages din sa ato ang kalibutan, daghan kayong mga language, and include ana ang sign language. Ang sign language mao na siya ang gina-use sa atong mga deaf community to communicate. So naatay kanang if we hearing community na atay gitawag nga kanang language sa mga deaf pod, di uses sign language for communication. Okay, so naatay gitawag nga Filipino Sign Language. Ang Filipino Sign Language mao ni siya ang gina-use sa mga deaf people ari sa Philippines. But as you observe, sometimes na mga different nga signs, mga deaf nga different because same na sa ato hearing community, we have the different dialect or different kanang mga word. For example, the Cebuano have different words. Example, unsa, that's Cebuano. But if motelta diri sa Bantayan, unsa is we say nano, like that. Then in English, in Tagalog, we have ano. The meaning of that three dialect is what. So yun ana siya. So that's why, or that is the reason why same sa deaf community have put sila og different ng mga dialects. So ana siya. So again, we have the different language, and as hearing community, deaf are uses sign language, and the Filipino Sign Language is being used by our deaf community here in the Philippines. So naay different na sign ang FSL pod if makamagmeet ka og mga deaf, because different places has their own dialect. That's why atong i-respect ang mga deaf sa ilahang language. If naa sila yung mga language, just respect them and learn from our deaf community. Okay, so next video or maybe next day ako ang i-upload ang video explaining what is the difference of FSL, ESL, and the sign exact English, and any topic. So if you have any questions about sign language or any thoughts, you can just comment below. Thank you. Love you all.